Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with me Manasa. In the last video, uh, we talked about 10 the most popular and usable 10 top 10 data science applications. So now we are going to talk about data science um, how data science is important as well as machine learning is also important for data science beginners. So this is the introduction to machine learning for data science beginners. So this is the part 5 in the data science series. So today we are diving into one of the most important topics in technology, machine learning. Machine learning is behind everything around us, from Netflix recommendations to self-driving cars. By the end of this video you will understand what machine learning is, how it works, its types, real world use cases and career opportunities. So let's get started. So what is machine learning in real life? So before we get into the theory, let's quick look at where machine learning appears in our daily lives. So as we said, Netflix recommending movies, it recommends movies and series to us as per our search history, and Amazon showing product suggestions based on our interests, YouTube autoplay videos, Google Maps predicting traffic, Instagram recommending reels, spam emails automatically filtered. So all these systems use machine learning to learn from your past behavior and predict what you might want next. So this is called machine learning. Machine learning is everywhere. Even if we don't realize it, we are using it in our daily life in every day. So what is machine learning? Let's learn what is machine learning. So what is exactly machine learning? Machine learning is a field of AI that enables computers to learn patterns from data without being explicitly programmed. So in traditional programming we write rules, but in machine learning the computer discovers the rules by itself through the past data. So ML is used for predictions, automation, pattern detection, insights, real time decisions. In simple words, it feeds the data, machine learns patterns, machine makes predictions. So traditional programming versus machine learning. So let's compare both approaches to understand why ML is so powerful in this generation. So traditional programming, you give rules and input data and you get an output. So here no predictions and no other recommendations are given in traditional programming. For example, if marks are greater than 35, then you will get pass or fail. So here you will give the conditions like if greater than 35 it is pass, or it is less than 35 else it is fail. So this is the uh, working of traditional programming. So let's see how machine learning works. So you give historical data to the machines, so you don't give any inputs. Input is about historical data, it learns from the historical data and it will provide you the predictions for future and present. So and machine learns the rules automatically, how the past data is working, and it takes all the data and it learns. Machine first learns and will give the output as a prediction. So it becomes smarter as more data is added. So example, predicting house prices, there is no simple rule. The machine learns patterns like area, location, number of rooms, market trends. So based on these attributes, it takes all the data and it predicts the present and future house price, how based on area and location how the price will be in next 5 years or in next 1 year, like that. So that's why machine learning is used in modern complex problems also. So why machine learning? Like we are using we have, other than machine learning we have so many, but why the people are using machine learning means machine learning is important because the world now runs on data. So main point of using machine learning is understanding of data is very important in the world. So it helps with automation, Self-driving cars, chatbots, robots are using automation. So next, YouTube, Amazon, Netflix are using machine learning to personalize the content we are seeing. Stock markets, weather, health risks are using machine learning for future predictions. So fraud detection, cyber security are using to make real time decision making. So businesses that use machine learning make faster decisions, reduce errors, and understand their customers better. So next, what are the types of machine learning? We'll see what are the types of machine learning. So we have three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So let's explore with each with an example. Let's see supervised learning. So supervised learning is nothing but training the labeled data. So how it is the most common type of machine learning. The model is trained on labeled data, like input and output are both now. So we are not giving only input and we are not expecting output. Both the input and output are given by us. And for example, spam versus not spam. So we are doing the classification here. What data is, type of data is called spam, and what type of data is called not spam. So we are classifying spam and not spam into two parts, and we are giving input and we are giving output also to the data. So next, predicting prices. This uses regression model, weather prediction, and student score prediction. We will give both input and output here. It classifies. Then the two major tasks in supervised learning are classification, predicting categories, and regression, predicting continuous values. So this is used everywhere from health predictions to sales forecasting. So next, uh, let's see some algorithms used in supervised learning. So these are the common uh, algorithms used in supervised learning. Those are linear regression. This is used for predicting numbers. Logistic regression, this uses for yes or no decisions and decision trees. Rule based predictions, random forest for multiple trees for accuracy, and neural networks for advanced patterns like images or speech. So these algorithms power many real world AI systems. Next, see unsupervised learning. So what is unsupervised learning? Unsupervised learning is used when the data does not have the labels. So the algorithm tries to find hidden patterns on its own. So examples, for example, grouping customers by behavior, finding similar products, detecting unknown patterns, clustering large data sets. So it's widely used in marketing, e-commerce, and recommendation engines. Let's see uh, which algorithms are used in unsupervised learning. So popular unsupervised techniques include k-means clustering. Here it groups similar data points. Next, hierarchical clustering builds tree-like clusters. Next, a priori algorithm finds product combinations, like people who buy bread also buy butter. So these algorithms help businesses understand customer behavior deeply. Next learning is about reinforcement learning. So reinforcement learning is completely different. Here, an agent learns by interacting with an environment. It gets rewards from correct actions and penalties for wrong ones. So, think of it like training a pet through reward based learning. So, for examples, gaming AI like chess, Go, or video games. Next is robotics, self-driving cars, industrial automation. So reinforcement learning is shaping the future of autonomous systems. So let's see the machine learning pipeline. In machine learning pipeline, we have data collection, which helps in gathering raw data, and data cleaning, handling missing values, removing errors. Next, feature engineering. In feature engineering, there is a process called selecting important variables. Next is model training. It chooses the algorithm and it gets trained. The model gets trained. Next, evaluation, checking accuracy and efficiency. Next is deployment, using the model in real systems is deployment. This pipeline is followed in every ML project. So next, let's see what are the tools and frameworks. So the most popular tools for machine learning are Python, the backbone language, scikit-learn for beginners and classic ML models, TensorFlow, deep learning and neural networks, PyTorch, research and advanced deep learning. So if you know these tools, you can build almost any ML application. So let's see some real world use cases in machine learning. So machine learning is used everywhere in real life. So like healthcare, disease prediction, medical imaging, finance, fraud detection, credit scoring. Next is retail, product recommendations, transport, self-driving cars, gaming, AI opponents, cybersecurity, anomaly detection. So this is why ML skills are huge in demand. Next, what are the challenges we face in machine learning? But ML is not perfect. It has its challenges like bias in data, which leads to unfair predictions. Next is overfitting. Model memorizes instead of learning. So data quality issues, garbage in, garbage out is the data quality issue. It may happen in machine learning also. And high computing power, training big models is expensive. So these changes require careful handling. Next, what is the future of machine learning? So the future of machine learning is extremely promising. Trends include auto ML, like automated model building and explainable AI. So transparent ML decisions, edge AI, running AI on devices like mobile drones, AI agents, smart autonomous decision systems. So we are moving toward a world where AI becomes part of everyday life. So by learning machine learning, what are the career paths we can find? So if you want to build a career in machine learning, here are popular roles like machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI researcher, ML ops engineer. So you can work in healthcare, finance, e-commerce, robotics, or in any other application which uses data science and machine learning. Everywhere this field has one of the highest growth rates globally. So thank you so much for watching. This was a complete beginner friendly explanation of machine learning. If you found this useful, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share with your friends. This helps the channel grow and motivates me to create more data science content. Stay tuned for part 6 of the data science series. See you in the next video. Thank you.